approached with solar many times over the past several years, both at home and at work. When I hear solar, I tend to tune out, but my business partner is really into it, so I offered to hear these guys out. And after taking a look at what they offer, taking a look at what they've actually done, to me, it's a no-brainer. It's exceeded our expectations. Our monthly bills have gone down. We're saving about $3,500 a month of what we paid Duke in exchange for about a $2,700 a month solar payment, which will go away at some time. We're getting massive tax credits. We don't have to worry so much about Duke energy price increases. Right now, we're in the midst of installing a backup battery Powerwall, which will be life-changing. When we lost power a few times for the storms this past year, it was gut-wrenching. Watching everybody around us be open while we're down for a few days just costs us thousands and thousands. So I think you're doing yourself, your business, a grave disservice if you don't talk to Ross. Just let him run you some numbers. It costs you nothing, and proof's in the pudding. You can come talk to us. You can look at our numbers. We can see from our phones what we're making, what we're saving. Again, it's a no-brainer. Andy Polce with HOB Brewing Company and Solar Tech Elec has changed our lives.